Hello students, welcome back. In triangles, only one example sum is left. 8th one. Let's complete it. Here what is given? ABCD is a square. M is the midpoint of AB. PQ is perpendicular to CM. CB produced meets PQ at Q. We have to prove that PA is equal to BQ and CP is equal to AB plus PA. First let us prove that PA is equal to BQ. Now in triangle PAM and triangle QBM, angle PMA is equal to angle QMB, vertically opposite angles. AM is equal to BM because M is the midpoint of AB. Angle PAM is equal to angle QBM. All the angles of a square are 90 degree each. Since angle CBM is 90 degree, the adjacent angle is also 90 degree because angle CBM and angle QBM make a linear pair. Therefore, angle QBM is 90 degree. Therefore, triangle PAM is congruent to triangle QBM. Angle, side, angle. SAS postulate. Therefore, PA is equal to BQ. CP, CTC. Now we have to prove that CP is equal to AB plus AP. Now in triangle CPM and triangle CQM, CM is equal to CM because side common to both the triangles. Angle CMP is equal to angle CMQ, both 90 degree because CM is perpendicular to PQ. PM is equal to QM, CPCTC. We have proved that the triangle PAM is congruent to triangle QBM. Therefore, PM is equal to QM, CPCTC. Therefore, triangle CPM is congruent to triangle CQM. Side, angle, side postulate. Therefore, CP is equal to CQ, CPCTC. CP is equal to CQ, CPCTC. But CQ is equal to what? CQ is equal to CB plus BQ. Therefore, CP is equal to CB plus BQ. CB is equal to AB. CB is equal to AB because all the sides of a square are equal. So, in the place of CB, I will write AB. BQ is equal to PA. It is proved. So, BQ is equal to PA. Therefore, CP is equal to AB plus PA. Let's go to 10th chapter, isosceles triangles. You know in isosceles triangles, two sides are equal. If AB is equal to AC, then the angles opposite equal sides are equal. If two angles are equal, then the sides opposite equal angles are equal. Example sums. Here we have to find the value of A, B and C. In triangle ECD, angle CEA is an exterior angle. The exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. Similarly here, this angle CEA is the exterior angle. This is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. So this is equal to what? 32 plus 36. It is 68. Now triangle ACE is an isosceles triangle. CA and CE are equal sides. Therefore, the angles opposite equal sides are equal. Therefore, if angle CEA is equal to 68, then angle CAE is also equal to 68. Therefore, B is equal to what? 68. B is equal to 68 degree. Now it is given that AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, Z formation. angle BAD is equal to angle CDA, alternate angles. Therefore, A is equal to 36 degree. Now in this triangle, the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180. In triangle ACE, angle CAE plus angle ACE plus angle AEC is equal to 180 degree. So angle ACE is equal to 180 minus 68 plus 68, 44. Therefore CE is equal to 44 degree. Here we have to find the values of A, B and C. It is given that AC bisects angle A. AC bisects angle A means A is equal to B. Now in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. If angle ABC is equal to 80 degree, then angle ACB is equal to 80 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Therefore A plus 80 plus 80 is equal to 180. Therefore A is equal to 180 minus 160. Therefore A is equal to 20 degree. If A is equal to 20 degree, then B is also 20 degree. If B is 20 degree, angle DAC is 20 degree, then angle DCA is also 20 degree. Why? Because angles opposite equal sides are equal. DAC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore C plus 20 is equal to 180. C plus 20 plus 20 is equal to 180. Sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180. So C is equal to 180 minus 40. That is 140. C is equal to 140 degree. A is equal to 20 degree, B is equal to 20 degree and C is equal to 140 degree. It is given that AB is equal to BC and AC is equal to CD. We have to prove that angle BAD is to angle ADB is equal to 3:1. In triangle ACD, CA is equal to CD. Therefore, the base angles, angle CAD and angle CDA are equal. Let them be X and X. Angle ACB is the exterior angle of triangle ACD. Therefore, exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. So X plus X is equal to 2X. Now triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with side BA is equal to BC. Therefore, angles opposite equal sides are equal. If angle BCA is equal to 2X, then angle BAC is also equal to 2X. Now you can see angle BAD is equal to 2X plus X is equal to 3X. And angle ADB is equal to X. Therefore, angle BAD upon angle ADB is equal to 3X upon X. X goes off. Hypotenuse is 3 upon 1. Therefore, angle BAD is to angle ADB is equal to 3:1.